Self-introduction. 1. Greeting. 2. Name. 3. Location. 4. Qualifications. 5. Experience. 6. Family. 7. Hobby. 8. Age. 9. Strength. 10. Your goal. Self-introduction. Greeting. Hello, good morning sir, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Locations. I have come from Rongpur. Qualifications. I have completed my nursing from Rajastha Medical College. Experience. I have 1.5 years of experience in nursing. Family. I am belong to a nuclear family. Hobby. Readings, listening songs. Age. I am 24 years old. Strength. I am a hardworking, self-motivating person with good communication skills. Your goals. My short-term goal is getting a job in nursing college and long-term goal to achieve a good positions there.